Welcome to my YouTube channel. One of the most beautiful mountain in Georgia. Georgia, often celebrated for its warm southern hospitality and vibrant city life, also hides a natural treasure within its borders, the magnificent Georgia Mountains. Nestled in the northern part of the state, these mountains offer a stark contrast to the bustling cities below. Here, you'll find a world of serene beauty, lush greenery, and outdoor adventures waiting to be explored. The Georgia Mountain Range. The Georgia Mountains are part of the larger Appalachian mountain range, stretching from New York to Alabama. This range is characterized by rolling hills, rugged peaks, and deep valleys, creating a stunning landscape that beckons to nature enthusiasts, hikers, and anyone seeking a tranquil escape. Breathtaking scenery. One of the most remarkable features of the Georgia Mountains is their breathtaking scenery. Towering peaks like Brasstown Bald, the highest point in Georgia, provide panoramic views that seem to stretch on forever. In the fall, the mountains come alive with vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow as the foliage undergoes its annual transformation, making it a perfect destination for leaf peepers. Outdoor adventures. For the adventurous at heart, the Georgia Mountains offer a playground of outdoor activities. Hiking and backpacking trails meander through the mountains, catering to various skill levels. The Appalachian Trail, which extends through the region, is a dream come true for long-distance hikers. Waterfalls, like Amicalola Falls and Anna Ruby Falls, offer refreshing stops along the way. If you prefer a bit of adrenaline, there's whitewater rafting on the wild Chattahoochee River and ziplining adventures through the forest canopy. These mountains also host some of the best trout fishing streams in the southeast, making them a haven for anglers. Charming mountain towns. Scattered throughout the Georgia Mountains are charming towns like Helen, Dahlonega, and Blue Ridge. These towns capture the essence of mountain living with their quaint streets, boutique shops, and cozy cabins. Helen, in particular, is known for its Bavarian-inspired architecture and festive atmosphere, making it feel like a little piece of Germany in the heart of Georgia. Cultural and historical significance. The Georgia Mountains are not just about natural beauty, they also hold cultural and historical significance. Dahlonega was the site of the first major gold rush in the United States, and you can still try your hand at gold panning today. The region is also rich in Native American history, with the Cherokee Nation having a significant presence in the area before their forced removal on the Trail of Tears. Conclusion. The Georgia Mountains are a true gem, offering a perfect blend of outdoor adventure, natural beauty, and cultural history. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, a challenging hike, or a taste of mountain culture, these majestic mountains have something to offer everyone. So, pack your hiking boots, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and let the Georgia Mountains captivate your soul with their timeless charm. Whether you're gazing at a star-studded night sky or savoring a hearty meal in a mountain cabin, the Georgia Mountains promise a serene and memorable. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration.
Thanks for watching.